In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Framework 3.5 on your Windows 10 computer. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Windows, this guide will help you get .NET Framework 3.5 up and running in no time. This process is quite straightforward, but I'll be sure to explain each step carefully to ensure everything is as clear as possible. Now let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the Start menu. You can usually find this in the lower left corner of your screen. The Start menu is like your main hub for accessing all your computer's features and settings. Once you have clicked it, you'll notice a list of applications and options displayed. Next, we're going to navigate over to Settings. To find this, look for an icon that resembles a gear wheel. It's typically on the left side of the Start menu. Go ahead and click that icon to open up the Settings window. Now that we're in the Settings window, the next thing we need to do is locate Windows Update. This section is crucial because Windows Update allows you to install updates, optional features, and in our case, .NET Framework 3.5. On the main settings page, you'll see multiple categories. What you're looking for is an option labeled Update and Security. Once you see it, click on it to proceed further. After you've opened the Update and Security settings, you'll find yourself on the Windows Update screen. On this page, you might see various updates that are either pending installation or have recently been installed. Take a moment here to make sure your system is fully updated, as this can sometimes affect the smooth installation of .NET Framework 3.5. To install the framework itself, look for an option that says Turn Windows Features On or Off. Clicking on this will open up a window listing various Windows features that you can enable or disable. You'll need to search through this list for .NET Framework 3.5, includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. When you find it, you'll notice a checkbox next to it. Go ahead and check that box if it isn't already selected. Once you've checked the box, simply click OK to proceed. Windows will then begin the installation process, which can take a few minutes. During this process, your computer might need to download some files from the internet, so make sure your connection is stable. If prompted, also ensure to allow any administrative permissions or reboots that Windows asks for, and that's it. You have successfully initiated the installation of .NET Framework 3.5. After the process completes, you'll be all set to run applications that require this particular version. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.